गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे चैनल न्यू वर्ल्ड विथ मैथ एंड दिस इज योर मैथ सर आशीष। और टुडे टॉपिक वी डिस्कस ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शन फ्रॉम क्लास 11 चैप्टर 3rd. Trigonometry function you also learn in class 10th in a small way, but in 11th class you learn trigonometry function in broad. So first we discuss all the formulas which we discuss in this chapter and use for the further operation applied in this chapter. So some basic formula that all of you know. There is the trigonometry means triangle geometry, and it is completely related to the a triangle which having a right angle, that means a right angle triangle. So all of you know that any angle which we take in the trigonometry function we denote as theta, and this angle, the opposite side of this angle is known as perpendicular, and another is base, and this hypotenuse is always fixed. So to study this chapter, first you know some trigonometry ratio ki how they are formed. So here the sin theta is formed by perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cos theta is formed by base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is formed by perpendicular upon base, and cosec theta is formed by hypotenuse upon perpendicular, and sec theta form hypotenuse upon base, and cot theta formed by base upon perpendicular. There are some other relation between sin, cos and tan, that is कि tan theta is sin by cos theta and cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. And this is the basic trigonometry function which you learn in class 10. And some identities you also learn. There is sin theta square plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, and 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, and 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1, and sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta, and cosec square theta minus 1 is cot square theta, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So these are some basic identities which we learn in class 10th. Now we comes upon class 11th standard, which is an advanced standard. So in this chapter we learn about the quadrant and different types of problems and different types of questions. So first we discuss about quadrant. What is quadrant? So here you all of you know that a circle can be divided into 4 quadrants in first quadrant, second, third and fourth quadrant. There are many possibilities, and one more thing, till now you all learn angles in 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree and 270 degree and 360 degree. But in this class you learn about the angles in the radian form. That means 0 degrees and 360 degrees means 2 pi, and 90 degree means pi by 2, 180 degree means pi, and 270 degree means 3 pi by 2. How they are formed we also discuss in another video when we start doing sum, how we change degree into radian or radian into degree. So now come on our topic, that in first quadrant when we move to pi by 2 minus theta, that means 90 minus theta, you all of understood very well, because this is the condition in 10th class also. But there have many other conditions which we discuss, pi by 2 minus theta and 2 pi by plus theta. That means if we 1 degree or smallest angle is subtract from 90, then we go into first quadrant, in which all the trigonometry ratios are positive. That means sin, cos, tan, cot, all positive in first quadrant. When we comes in second quadrant, that means when we add a small value in pi by 2 or 90, then we goes in second quadrant, and when we subtract small value from 180, that means pi, we goes into second quadrant, or here sin theta and cosec theta is positive, except these all trigonometry ratios such as sec, cosec, tan, cos are negative. Now comes in third quadrant. This is our third quadrant. Here we go when pi plus theta and 3 pi by 2 minus theta, and this quadrant tan theta and cot theta are positive, or all of these except these values are negative. And in fourth quadrant we goes by 3 pi by 2 plus theta and 2 pi minus theta, and this quadrant cos and sec are positive, and except these all are negative. Now I also prepare a table for you. All of you learn the values till 90, but in this table you learn the value till 180 degree. So this is the table, you also see very well.